Your client expected a refund, but got a letter instead. If codes 898 or 899 appear on the transcript, here is what happened. 898 and 899 are Treasury Offset codes. They mean the Bureau of the Fiscal Service redirected part or all of the refund to pay a non-tax federal debt. The most common ones are defaulted student loans, unpaid child support, and state tax obligations. 898 shows the amount that was offset. 899 shows any remaining refund that was still sent to the client after the offset. If 899 is zero, the entire refund was taken. Here is the important distinction. 898 and 899 are different from code 826. Code 826 is an IRS to IRS offset for prior year tax debt. 898 and 899 involve outside agencies through the Treasury Offset Program. Your client should have received a notice from the Bureau of the Fiscal Service, not the IRS. If they want to dispute the offset, they need to contact the agency that submitted the debt, not the IRS.
Transcript Tax Monitor Pro identifies offset codes and tells you exactly where the money went. Free code lookup in the description.